Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna let you know the best reward credit card of Bank of America for the year 2024. As of the latest information, Bank of America Premium Reward Credit Card has been selected one of the best credit cards for the year 2024. It is best for savers. Likewise, it has been rated 4.3, and it also has a good to excellent, that is 670 to 850 recommended credit. Now, if you want to know about the intro offer, that is $60,000 points, and the offer valuation is $600. The reward rate is 1.5x to 2x, and then has an annual fee of $95. If you want to know about the variable APR on purchases and balance transfer, that is 21.24 to 29.24%, and it has also been recommended by most of the users of Bank of America. So this is also known for the best for savers. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.